I wanted to show you the different shades of sugar, because we all know the white sugar, right? We know the brown sugar, and we know molasses. In order to get the white sugar, the molasses content of the sugarcane juice, which is what it is boiled down to, is extracted. So these two are separated, and then you end up with this pure sucrose, white table sugar, and you have this molasses. And in between you have varying degrees of molasses still in the sugar. Coconut sugar hasn't got any of the molasses removed, it's just from the coconut flower nectar. And we have brown, and we have this one that's called raw, but it's not actually raw, but it has a little bit. You can see by the colour, they have varying degrees of molasses inside. The best one is obviously the coconut sugar. And the molasses, yeah, not bad. There's more micronutrients the further you go down the scale, so it's obviously better to have more of the micronutrients. Don't be afraid to eat any one of these sugars. They're pure energy and they're going to make you feel great. Just try to get organic.